Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Anya Havita and I'm back with another hair tutorial. I start by parting my hair in two sections, top and bottom. I use my ears kind of as a guide on where to go, where to part the hair. I make sure that it's really like nice and straight on the sides where people are actually gonna see, but girl, that middle is I can't see that at all, so it's a bit of a guess, and I have no idea what it looks like, and neither does anyone else, so it doesn't really matter. Actually came out pretty good. With the bottom, I'm gonna part that again down the middle and braid up the back. The part down the middle by no means has to be perfect, as you can see, because I just kind of, it's a mess. But no one's gonna see it. It's gonna be covered under layers of glue and track, so don't worry about it. Just get it flat and out the way. I just want to say these gel dookie braids are not indicative of my braiding skills, because I can cornrow, but like I said, these are just to be hidden. Go ahead and pin that with a bobby pin and do the other side. Using Got To Be Glued Free Spray, I seal the braids. This is just to give them an added layer of protection from when I put the glue on. Gonna bust out my wig caps. And honestly, as I'm doing this voiceover, I realized that the packs say 2 on there, but I was shook, honey. I did not know 2 came in a pack, and I was low-key salty that I bought 2, but whatever, they're $1, so. I just go ahead and put that over all of my head. And using free spray, I seal it on. All this is, once again, just protection for my hair for when I do glue tracks on. Lord have mercy. This hairstyle is not cute until the very end, but I put a second wig cap on, seal that in with Got To Be, and now it's time for the bundles. Going in with the 22-inch first, because that's the longest bundle, and I'm using a red pencil to kind of mark where the half point is, where I parted my hair, so that I don't go over it. Measure, measure, measure. I still messed up on a few tracks, I'm not even gonna lie, but that's why it's good to measure, cut your track, and then glue it down. This is so much harder than YouTube makes it look. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, this is messy. I had glue all over my fingers, all over my nails. I couldn't lay the tracks perfect because I couldn't really see what I was doing. People on YouTube make everything seem like it's easy, takes 5 minutes, and like, but that's just not true. This took me a good little minute for it to be a quick weave, and it was just messy as hell, and I couldn't see. Look at that gap. I didn't even notice the gap until I was editing, but it's okay. I have so many tracks back there that it all kind of got covered up, but the process is measure, cut, glue, and dry each track with a hairdryer. This is important so that your tracks are actually like really secure and glued down and don't start to slip. I did this at like 1 o'clock in the morning. Your girl was getting delirious. This is the full 22-inch bundle, all glued in. Now I'm going in with that 20-inch, measure, cut, glue, dry. Measure, cut, glue, dry. Just over and over again until you've got it filled up. I am trying to follow like a curved pattern, curving my wefts at the end so that it all falls down, because I am doing this with no leave out. And I forgot to mention, but this hair is literally just like pack bundles from the beauty supply store. It was $25 for 3 bundles, girl. Get into it. This is all the hair that I had left over. Now it's time to start the top. I just cut this wig cap off my head. It wasn't too difficult. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. It kind of just like slid under the scissors. The most difficult part was making sure that all of the parts that could be seen was out. Now I'm just going in and straightening the front of my hair. I try not to put too much heat on my hair, but I do straighten it the first day that I do a hairstyle, just so that my ponytail can be as slick as possible because my hair is natural. I was in there jamming, having me a good old time. Do you listen to music while you do your hair? I feel like I can't do my hair if I'm not listening to music. It just like keeps me awake, keeps me going. Yes, honey, serving Keanu Reeves realness. Get into it. I am using Eco Styling Gel to slick my ponytail up. I'm taking a little small piece from the edge of my leftover 20-inch bundle and I'm wrapping that around the base of my bun as an anchor. From there, I'm going to wrap the bundle around my bun as well. Like I said, this is the 20-inch that I have left over from gluing the tracks. In the pack bundle, it came 22, 20, and 18. Like I said, for $25, I think that's a good price. I think the hair is pretty. I'm only going to keep this in about 5 days, probably less. I don't like to leave the glue on my hair for too long. I do know how to properly remove glue from hair, so I'm not worried about my hair being damaged at all. But this is a quick weave. It's supposed to be a quick style, and it's cute, it's cheap, it's semi-easy once you get the hang of it. So I thought it was a really good deal. I use bobby pins sporadically throughout to secure the bundle to my bun. Now I'm going in with that 18-inch bundle. I am going to clip the 20-inch to kind of get it out the way so that the hair doesn't get mixed up. This just makes it easier for me to wrap the 18-inch bundle around. And I'm going in with the same like anchor technique, using a little bit of the 18-inch bundle to wrap around the base of the bun, and then just continuing to wrap the actual bundle around the bun as well. Girl, I was doing this at like 2 o'clock in the morning. I have no idea where this bobby pin came from, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it pushing. Taking some hair from the back, I am gonna wrap it around the base of the ponytail just to kind of hide the line of demarcation. I'm using some Got To Be Glued spray to secure it in place. And then I'm going to put the bobby pin on it at the end to hold it down. Yes, this hairstyle is super cute. She ready. But I'm going to jazz it up just a little more. I'm going in with these knickknacks. I love these. This is so cute. Reminds me of childhood. And then I'm just going to go around. This was actually like more hard than I thought it was going to be. These are made for children. So this big old thick ass ponytail was not it. It was not trying to go. But you know what? You cannot stop a determined woman. I was going to get these knickknacks in. The first two were actually, like, they were difficult. But the last one, me and Pinky had a knockdown drag out. I won though. Using my Eco Styling Gel again, I am slicking down my adult hairs. And boom, a baddie was born. Ooh, fly mama. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and click the bell so your notifications to always so you don't miss when I upload. I'll see y'all next time. Love you. Mwah.